Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best drain snake which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. FlexiSnake Drain Weasel Sink Drain Snake Clog Remover. Hair clogs are a common problem in bathroom sinks or showers. They can also be one of the hardest clogs to fully remove. The average drain snake cannot cut through the hair or push it further down the line. It just moves, and the tip passes through and the hair closes like a trapdoor. This is where the FlexiSnake Drain Weasel comes in. It is specially designed to untangle the hair, which allows you to pull the clog free. Do not be fooled by the Weasel's appearance at only 18 inches in length with a simple handle on one end and a brush tip on the other. It may not look like much, but it is just what you need. The wand is flexible enough to reach into tight space and around hard curves. Because most hair clogs are in the first 2 feet of the drain, it is just long enough to get there. The brush holds over 100 tiny hooks designed to grab anything it encounters, and the handle allows easy 360-degree sweeps for complete clearing. Pros: specially designed for hair clogs. Head is replaceable for multiple uses. Small enough to be stored under the sink where it will be close at hand. Cons: for the cost of this single-purpose wand you can buy a low-end multi-use drain snake. Number 2. Drain Auger Clog Remover Drain Snake 25 FT. The machine is equipped with a 7 mm diameter flexible shaft, which is perfect for clearing kitchen and bathroom pipes. The shaft is 25 feet long, and it can reach to those hard-to-reach places. Even most traditional tools cannot do what this drain clog remover does. This drain auger is suitable for 3/4 inch to 2-inch pipes. It uses lithium-ion 20-volt 2.0 Ah battery that can stay powered up for a significant length of time. However, this powerful battery makes it more portable and convenient to use than corded tools. Moreover, you can operate the machine using a switch. This switch helps you to apply different forces to adjust the speed. Besides, the speed is adjustable up to 560 RMP. The best part is that you can change it freely to suit various projects. Pros: runs with a powerful battery, convenient to use, adjustable speed. Suits have a different purpose. Long and flexible shaft, easier shaft replacement. LED light for convenient nighttime cleaning. Cons: a bit costly but worth every penny. Number 3. Ridgid Gidds Autofeed Maxcore Drain Cleaner Cable. This power spinner is a perfect tool to clear blocked drains at an economical price point. It comes with a versatile design that offers the ability to use it anywhere. We would appreciate its Autofeed technology along with a Maxcore cable. It can self-feed down the drain so that you don't have to touch the cable. This self-feed down feature ensures smooth operation. Also, you can use it as a variable speed drill. Without touching the cable, you can rotate the drum up to 500 RPM. The machine is equipped with a 1/4 inch by 25 feet Maxcore cable and bulb auger. This hand auger allows any variable speed chuck drill for extra power. Pros: versatile hand auger, convenient to use, adjustable speed. Suits have a different purpose. Long and flexible shaft, easier shaft replacement. LED light for nighttime cleaning. Cons: a bit costly but worth every penny. Not so efficient for toilet cleaning. Number 4. Ridgid Toilet Auger 3-foot Toilet Auger Snake. This toilet auger designed for dealing with tough clogs without damaging delicate porcelain. It has a vinyl guard that protects porcelain at the throat of the bowl. However, the drain auger goes into the toilet in an S-bend form. It includes a durable compression-wrapped inner core cable. This cable has 3 separate wrappings around the central core to clear the severe blockage. At the cable tip, it includes a C-cutter head which will tear through clogs easily. This drain snake is 3 foot long along with 1/2 inch width. It is suitable for smaller drain cleaning. However, this drain snake is kink-resistant and durable. The quality of the material ensures its longer lifetime. Furthermore, this best unclogger includes large ergonomically designed handles for use manually. You will face less elbow grease. Also, you can enhance the speed of rotation by adding a power drill. Pros: dedicated toilet auger, protect porcelain, strong compression-wrapped inner cable, clear, Tough blockage, large ergonomic handle, durable and kink resistant. Allow manual use and power drill addition. Cons: allow manual use and power drill addition. Short length. Number 5. VEVOR 26-Fort Portable Electric Drain Auger. This one is a portable drain auger that works with 110 volts voltage and 700 watts input power. It comes with an excellent cleaning capacity. This handheld drain snake comes with a 26 feet cable which fits in 0.8 to 2.6 inch cleaning pipe. It is operated using a powerful motor that turns the spiral at 600 RPM. The machine includes a 3-stage switch which turns spiral in the desired direction. Even after drill head design, the entire unit is lightweight enough, you can carry it or store it with ease. It means this is the most powerful plumbing snake for wide application. You can use it for sinks, showers, floor drain, and other lateral lines drain cleaning. Also, the build quality ensures it's long, and it comes with safety gloves. Pros: sturdy construction, high-powered operation, extended cable with better cleaning, compact and versatile design, suitable for most pipes, built-in drill for more power. Cons: a bit costly compared to others. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.